Meaning of get together.
Get together.
Get together.
Get together.
Get together. Get together refers to a social gathering or meeting of people who have come together for a specific purpose or just to catch up. It usually involves a friendly and informal atmosphere where individuals interact and connect with one another. The purpose of such an event could be anything from celebrating a special occasion like a birthday or a wedding to simply spending quality time with friends and family. Overall, a get-together is a way to strengthen relationships, build new connections, and enjoy the company of others in a relaxed and enjoyable setting.